Hi everyone, my name is Mike, and in this tech tip video, it's time to put your guard up. There is potentially a new scam brewing, and we want to be one of the first to alert you to what could be potentially brewing on the horizon. Today, someone in our accounting department received an email using the PayPal invoicing system requesting our company to pay an invoice for around $800. $796 to be exact. Why is this number significant? Well, easy. The dollar amount falls below what we call the threshold of pain. It's a low enough number that some organizations wouldn't think twice about paying it, and the dollar amount, $796, is not a number that appears generic like $800 or $750. Once again, some businesses may just pay it and think nothing more about it, but not here. Accounting scams are everywhere, and our organization scrutinizes every invoice that comes in just to be sure. And our spidey senses were correct. We had zero records of this person performing any services to us. And upon further review, the request wasn't even in our PayPal account. So yes, this is a scam, and someone out there is trying to steal money using an online payment system such as PayPal. But these threats are not just limited to one service. Every payment system is vulnerable. Ensure you have strong accounting practices that review all payment requests. And if you ever get someone reaching out to you to buy a large amount of equipment, get paid first and make sure the payment clears. You can never be too careful. This is Mike signing off for this tech tip. We hope you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.